Hello, Oak Cliff. Hello, Dallas, Texas. Hello, Kimball High School. It's your favorite math video instructor, Mr. Rachel, speaking to you. And today we want to talk to you about systems of linear equations. And we're talking specifically about how we find solutions to systems of linear equations. Now, if you will look at the graph that I have right in front of you, you can see that we have the system of equations, which is y equals 2x plus 3 and y equals negative 4x plus 9. And remember, this is function notation, but really this means y. Now, as you look at this graph, you see two lines. What are they doing? They are crossing. And you can see that they cross at the point 1, 5. So whenever you graph a system of linear equations and it gives you two lines on the graph and they intersect in one place, that means that there's one solution. And that one solution that there is x equals 1 and y equals 5. But there are also two additional cases that we can see in linear equations, and let's look at another one. And when I go to my next graph here, what I'm looking at is y equals to 2x plus 4, and that's this line right here. And this line down here is y equals 2x minus 3. Well, what that means, and I'm going to move this label over here so you know which equation goes with which line. But you can see that these two lines, are they going to cross? No, they're never going to cross. They're parallel. And whenever you get two parallel lines that is in a system of equation, that means that there is no solution at all. So there's not a solution to this system of equations. And one of the ways that you can tell is that both of them have the same number next to the x. So this is an example of a system of linear equations that doesn't have any solutions, and the giveaway is that it's parallel lines. So this line and this line won't cross. Now, the final case is what we call infinitely many solutions. And so as you look at this particular graph, now let's go ahead and put some grid lines on there so it can look like the other graphs. My bad, guys. Let me go down to my view. There we go. But as you look at this graph, how many lines do you see? You only see the graph of one line, but you see two equations. And so if ever you're in the situation where you have two equations but only the graph of one line, that means that there is infinitely many solutions, because what is happening is both of these two equations are graphing one on top of the other. And so in this case, this is infinitely many solutions. So we're going to just review here real quick. Go back to the beginning. This particular situation is when you have one solution to the system of linear equations. In this picture, you don't have any solution. There is no solution to this system of equations. And in this picture, there is infinitely many solutions. So no matter what you pick for x, it's going to be a solution to the equation. For all of us here at the Kimball Knight Math Center, I'm Stephen Rachel.